Many people believe that preparing for emergencies requires a large investment, but this is a common misconception. In reality, effective preparedness can be achieved even on a tight budget. By focusing on practical strategies and making thoughtful choices, anyone can build a solid foundation for emergency readiness. It's important to remember that small, consistent steps often lead to meaningful progress over time. With the right approach, preparedness is accessible to everyone, regardless of financial resources. Building preparedness is most effective when approached gradually, much like tending to a garden. Instead of attempting to acquire everything at once, focus on making steady, consistent progress. Each small step you take adds to your overall readiness, allowing you to grow your resources and skills over time. Patience and persistence are key, as true preparedness develops through ongoing effort rather than quick fixes. Setting aside a dedicated budget for preparedness is an important step, even if the amount is modest. By consistently allocating funds, you can gradually build up essential supplies and resources without straining your finances. Over time, these small, regular contributions can accumulate, making a significant difference in your overall readiness. This approach ensures that you are steadily improving your preparedness rather than waiting for a larger, less manageable expense. In this step, you implement the one extra rule during your routine shopping trips. Each time you shop, simply add one additional essential item to your cart. Over time, this small habit helps you steadily build a reserve of food, hygiene products, and emergency supplies. By spreading out purchases, you avoid overwhelming your budget while ensuring your household is better prepared for unexpected situations. Building an emergency cash reserve is a crucial step in financial preparedness. By setting aside small amounts regularly, you can gradually accumulate a fund that will be readily available when you need it most. Accessible cash can help cover unexpected expenses, such as medical emergencies or urgent repairs, without the need to rely on credit. Additionally, having cash on hand is especially important during situations where electronic payment systems might be down, ensuring you can still purchase essential goods and services. This proactive approach provides peace of mind and greater resilience in the face of unforeseen disruptions. Consider incorporating everyday savings tools into your routine to help build your preparedness fund. By using rewards programs, collecting coupons, and taking advantage of cashback apps, you can save money on purchases you already make. These small savings can quickly add up when consistently redirected into your emergency fund. Over time, routine shopping becomes an effective way to strengthen your financial readiness for unexpected situations. Focusing on practical skills can greatly enhance your preparedness without the need for significant financial resources. Learning to garden allows you to grow your own food, while mastering food preservation techniques helps ensure you have supplies during uncertain times. Basic medical care knowledge empowers you to handle minor health issues when professional help may not be immediately available. These skills not only increase your self-reliance, but also provide valuable resources for your household and community. Preparedness is not defined by how much you spend, but by your willingness to adapt, learn, and make the most of what you have. Progress comes from taking small, consistent steps and using your resources wisely. Resilience is built over time through experience and thoughtful planning. No matter where you begin, every effort counts toward greater security and peace of mind. Start with what you have, and let your journey toward preparedness grow steadily from there. Start where you are. Use what you have. Build slowly. Progress beats perfection. Visit DeVaultPrepping.com for more guides, gear recommendations, and practical preparedness information. And remember, Semper Paratus, always ready. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe, and share this with someone who thinks preparedness requires a giant bank account.
Prepared, not panicked. This is DeVault Prepping, Real world gear recommendations, real world strategies. Because when it happens, you're either ready or you're not. Semper Paratus, always ready.